CNC Production Specialist course, this is the one-year course for high school seniors who want to learn to be a total machinist in the modern manufacturing world, or add to your college resume in today's high-tech world. We start off in the high-tech machining area, which is the primary way to machine metals, woods, and exotic materials. We also combine skills learned in high school like digital design, SolidWorks, or Autodesk Inventor's solid model design. Then we can teach how to combine that CAD knowledge with CAM, which is computer-aided manufacturing. That produces the code that the CNC machining centers run on. But you need to know how to machine, and that's what we teach.